One of the strongest trust signals for a Solana token is a supply that can never grow. In about a minute, I'll show you how to lock yours permanently, no code. On j.tools, open token management, then revoke mint. Every Solana token has a mint authority, the permission that lets the owner create more supply. Revoke it, and that power is gone for good. Nobody, not even you, can ever mint again. That's why a locked supply builds trust. Holders know it can't be inflated. First, connect your wallet from the top right. I'll use Phantom. Now, pick your token. Just paste its contract address or choose it from the list. I'll select the one from my last videos. The mint authority is still active, ready to be revoked. One important thing, this is permanent. Once you revoke, you can never mint more of this token, ever. So only do this when you're completely done. Now, I'll click the Revoke Mint Authority button. I'll review it and confirm. And that's it. The mint authority is gone, and your supply is locked forever. That's how you build trust in your token. If this helped, subscribe for more Solana tips. Everything's at j.tools.